I wanted to show you an eBay find that I got today. This is a original 1997 new in the box Presto Poplite hot air popper. It's the 1440 watt version. And then over here you can see the date, 1997. I had one of these a while ago. These are the ones that people were saying that they don't burn up. We're going to give it a try here. We're going to do a first pop with you, and then you'll be able to see at the end how it does. All right, let's get started. All right, so this is the popcorn we're going to be using. I really like this, the Jolly Time white popcorn. It seems to pop really nicely, and there's not a lot of those corn husks that get stuck in your teeth. Just good old-fashioned tasty popcorn. All right, let's add it to the cup. All right, now we're going to be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. I like to use unsalted butter so that it doesn't interfere either with your salting or your flavoring. You can always add extra salt. All right, here is our melted butter. We had it in the microwave for maybe a minute. This was hard butter. You can do soft butter as well, just take less. All right, let's go ahead and pour that on that popcorn. I'm gonna be pouring it real slow so we get butter on every bit of the popcorn. You wanna make sure you're spreading that all around. We're gonna move the bowl. We're gonna pause, and then we're gonna stir it. All right, so we're gonna gently stir the popcorn so we get butter, melted butter everywhere on all the popcorn. And melted butter on popcorn is very good for holding your salts and your flavors. Once that's stirred, we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the butter to the popcorn. Perfect. All right, next we're going to add some salt to taste. And then make sure we stir it up very nice, gentle, so that you don't break up your popcorn. You don't want to break popcorn, you want to leave it big and fluffy. Again, you can use salt, white cheddar, whatever you like. It's your popcorn. Make it the way you like it. All right, and now you're ready to enjoy your freshly popped popcorn with the vintage Presto Poplite hot air popper. Enjoy it with video games, movies, your favorite YouTube channel, or just treating the kids. Thanks a lot for watching, and enjoy.